Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Scavenger. Begin by selecting the drive or image to scan, choose a scan mode, and start a file search immediately. Review the recovered file list, use the preview feature to confirm file integrity, and export selected files to a different safe location. Keep the original drive untouched to prevent overwriting data and repeat scans with deeper modes if needed. File Scavenger offers several scan modes to balance speed and thoroughness based on your situation. Use Quick Scan for recent deletions, and when you need results fast, Signature Scan when directory data is missing, and Deep Scan for severe corruption or formatted volumes. Start with faster modes and escalate as needed, saving intermediate results so you can resume later without repeating lengthy scans if time is limited. When recovering, choose a safe destination drive to write restored files and avoid overwriting original data. Use the preview feature to verify file types and recover only confirmed items first to save space. Create a folder structure that mirrors the original layout for easier validation and future backups. If files are fragmented, try multiple scan modes or recovery attempts and consider disk imaging if the drive shows physical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.